Morning everyone, Monday morning, welcome back to the channel, Wingin-It Paint Sprayers, with me and Al, sometimes the old man. Hope everyone's weekend was alright. Had a trip to IKEA yesterday with the other half and the kids. They must have took some money there over the weekend. It was heaving. Right, let's have a little look what we got going on. There's the Spitfire. I was going to start that later, get it stripped and well, it's already stripped but cleaned, and start prepping that. I was going to chuck another coat of lacquer on this Audi bonnet, a couple of little bobby danglers on it that wouldn't block out. We're just going to lacquer that again. Audi bumper, smothered in stone chips and scratches. X3 still here. Still waiting on the grills. Apparently the customers had a nightmare with the delivery people trying to get his grills. At the minute I'm sticking this lip on it. Just got my clamps on, got it in place. Got a couple of bolts in. Drilled the holes. I'm going to take all this cellophane off and then get that on. If anyone's ever worked on these X3s before, getting these bumpers off, well, for us was a bit of a nightmare. You had to take the wheels and all the arch lining out just to get to these bolts, because there's, well, that side's not too bad, but this side's got this little radiator thing here. What else we got going on? Customers just dropped this beamer off. New customer just dropped this off. It's lovely out here. Sunny old Headcorn. A bit of accident, well, I suppose, yeah, class as accident damage. Reversed into a post. I don't know if you can see it. Skirt door, quarter. We have to take the door off so I can blow the shut in. He's got a bit of lacquer peel on the mirror the other side. Get that done this week. I've mentioned the work that we're doing for these HX Motors crew. Adam's brother and his governor, or his mate, whatever. Adam and Twiggy. They're hold on, there's a light. There it is. Yeah, they work at a place called HX Motors. The pair of them. They've started up a GoFundMe page to build a new workshop. They're both ex-war vets. I'll stick the link at the bottom because I probably won't do it justice talking about it, because I haven't got enough enthusiasm to talk about anything really. But that's just me. But yeah, I'll stick the link on it. They're trying to get the funds to build this workshop. They're Land Rover specialists in Sutton in Kent. Have a little look at that. If you want to donate, please donate. It all helps out. If anyone knows any charities or anything like that that'll probably donate, I'm sure they'd appreciate it. I'll try to get them to do a little video to go with it. I don't know if they will or not. If they do, I'll stick that on sometime. Alright, we best get cracking. Done alright, it's polishable. I'd rather he went a little bit drier and we polish it up than too heavy and we end up with runs again. There you go. We've got it sorted. This BMW, this BMW would have been a lovely job up on that ramp. I could work on it at normal height. As it is, I've got to get the jacks under it, get the skirt off, maybe get some, pull the dent out, maybe get some filler in it to get this swage line back in it, and then door off, repair into the door, get it all primed up. Nice pro Al. Is that Al or Wagner?
Yeah, I
Forcing up on the fiddle or just rub it all back.
So you're absolutely right as usual.
G-spot machine pulled it out. Fucking lovely. It's still going to have a good skim of filler on it, but nowhere near as much. All the swages come out nice. Got this little curve in it. Sort of disappears a bit in the corner. Lines up nicely with the door. This little crease has come out. I was in two minds about this Spitfire. I was either going to buzz it down, ready for base coat, 400 whatever, 500 grey scotch, and just did it with base coat and lacquer it, with all the no damage around it. All the colours are near enough already. But then I've done a couple of tests on it, a bit of fitters here and there. There's a bit of blue paint coming off. So I think the only way to do it is to do it properly and give it a coat of wet on wet, wet on wet on wet on wet. Give the whole thing a coat of wet on wet, really light grey, and then just yeah, just chuck loads of base coat on it. That's what we're going to do. I don't care what you reckon. Look at that, big old horn. Right, this Spitfire, I thought it'd be too good to be true. There'll be no repairs around it, but if you're repainting it, how can you leave little splits and cracks and just paint over it? You can't. So, come on. Oh. Look, it goes right under here. It looks like, crack round here, look, there we are. It looks like it's had a centrepiece welded in, and they welded it wrong, and they filled up to meet the high spot. We're not going to get involved in that. A couple of little craters along here we're going to fill. We're going to V these out. V that out, fibre fill them so they're nice and strong. Probably same with this. Yeah, filler, sealer, something like that. Our very own Michael Bolt. Hello, Beaver's all ready for primer. I'm going to be sticking Beaver for her pleasure. Some of this on it. It's probably the best one I've used in ages. It hasn't gone wrong yet, so we'll stick with it. We'll stick that on the plastic bits and some of this on the bare metal. And I'm going to give this thing a little go. I haven't used it since I first bought it because I didn't like it. All the blue coating came off the first time I washed it. It didn't feel very nice. It's a pile of shit. I'm trying not to swear, that's why. Look at that, I've used it once. Everything's done up tight. None of the seals are broken. If you can see it. Look, I can feel it all bubbling. Rubbish, absolute rubbish. And some of this cheeky little parsnip rubs down lovely. day today. Get them glasses back on. Let's just annoy Alan quickly. Ow! That's probably going to be the end of this vid. The next one you see will be the BMW getting painted, and wherever we're at on the Spitfire, Alan's cracking on with prep, got a few repairs done. Maybe get some prime on it this week. A 2-pack on the repairs and that. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you wish. If you don't bother. See ya.